Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly indispensable accessory for owners of the Pyle model PWMA1216BM, the Pyle replacement part, travel storage bag. This isn't just any bag. It's specifically designed to complement and protect your valuable Pyle portable PA system, ensuring it stays in pristine condition whether you're on the go or simply storing it away. One of the first things you'll notice about this travel bag is its incredibly practical dimensions. Measuring a compact 8 inches long, 1.5 inches wide, and 1.5 inches high, it's engineered to snugly fit the PWMA1216BM without any unnecessary bulk. This thoughtful design means it won't take up much space in your car, luggage, or closet, making it an ideal companion for musicians, presenters, or anyone who frequently transports their audio equipment. Weighing in at a mere 1 pound, this bag adds virtually no extra burden to your load. This lightweight nature is a huge advantage, especially when you're already carrying other gear. It truly embodies the essence of portability, transforming the task of moving your PA system from a potential hassle into a seamless experience. As a CE accessory, it's clear this bag isn't a generic afterthought but a purpose-built solution. It speaks to a level of integration and quality that you'd expect from a dedicated accessory for a specific electronic device. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your PWMA1216BM is shielded from the bumps, scratches, and dust that are an inevitable part of travel or even just daily storage. This bag acts as a protective cocoon, extending the lifespan and maintaining the aesthetic appeal of your device. It helps keep all the components together, preventing misplacement and ensuring everything is ready for your next event. For anyone who values their investment in the Pyle PWMA1216BM, this travel and storage bag isn't just an option. It's an essential piece of the puzzle for optimal care and convenience. It elevates the user experience by providing a secure, organized, and effortlessly portable solution for their audio needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.